guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Use Basics. Today we are going to learn how to clear jelly in Candy Crush Saga. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Candy Crush Saga and tap on the level you want to clear the jelly. Let's begin. Over here you can see there are blocks and there are jellies. These jellies will be solved while matching all the three colors, same colors like this. You can see that the boxes are getting cleared. Make sure you use the boosters. You try to make the boosters, which will help you clear the level faster. There you go. My level has been completed and all the jellies has been cleared. Thank you for watching this video. You can like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content.